Hello and welcome to another vlog. Today is Sunday, January 12th, and I thought I would do a Sunday reset video. It is the second Sunday of the new year. I want to kind of get into just like getting my whole life together on Sundays, but then also doing whatever I want to do on a Sunday too. My apartment's a little bit of a mess in the background. I have some laundry to do, some dishes, some folding, some housekeeping that I want to get done. Right now it is 10:51. I'm about to go to a spin class, which I'm really excited for. One thing about me is I love a spin class. Spin is one of my favorite things to do. It's the way that I exercise, but also it's the way that like I feel like I decompress. I'm going to an 11:15 spin class. I'm thinking about getting Sweetgreen after. I love Sweetgreen too. I'm such like a creature of habit. Mainly today's video is just gonna be a vlog around my home, getting things together, and I thought I would share it with you guys. But I'm gonna have some orange juice and then also make my pre-workout, and let's go. We're in my kitchen or like my hallway. Does anyone else use a rack? I'm assuming a lot of people do. I love this thing. I got it from Amazon a few years ago, but the thing is I always end up leaving it out longer than I need to, and I only have such a small hallway, so it usually takes up a lot of room. If you ever see this in the background, that is why. I have so many dishes. I like can't wait to like actually clean my apartment. I like to use Ascent Hydration Energy pre-workout. Usually I'll use this for like 7 a.m. classes. Put a little scoop into a thing of water. Also, the reason why this is turning pink, I'm not sure if it's showing up in camera. This is like a water cup that once it gets cold liquid in it, it turns pink, which is pretty cool. I like have to like over mix it because I don't like getting like little chunks. I hope this is recording. Oh my god, for a second I thought I wasn't recording and I was gonna be like, are you kidding? Oh my gosh, I need to get a move on. I need to leave like right now. I put 2 ice cubes in it too, just to, you know, make it a little colder. And I drink this on the way to spin. Spin is only like 10 minutes away from me. I also want like the smallest spin of orange juice. This might be the most disgusting thing, but I live alone, so honestly, who gives a shit? I don't feel like having a cup, and I also need to leave in like 2.5 seconds, so. Yummy. Okay, I need to just like put my hair up so we can go. Also, I got some furniture for like my corporate job. I work from home, so I'm gonna be unboxing this and putting this together today too. With like my new hair, I need to get like bigger hair ties and stuff. Let's see. Always like missing pieces at the bottom. I don't like this. We're taking it out. Maybe I'll do it lower. That's gonna have to do. I don't know, but let's go to spin. I am running relatively late. Class starts in 10 minutes, but I am headed to spin. Class starts in 1 minute and I'm not inside. Also a rainy day in Seattle. Class was really hard, but also really good. I say every class is hard and good. Some classes are more good than hard. Some classes are more hard and just struggling in the goodness, but I had fun. I'm gonna go get Sweetgreen now. So I took a little pit stop, stopped at the gardening store. If you know, you know. I clean the best when I garden. Got some materials for that for later. Thing about me in Seattle is I will make a parking spot for myself. Is this a parking spot? No, but my hazards are going on. Okay? Okay. I'm home. I'm home. I'm home. I'm home. That girl was so fast. She made this bowl in 2.5 seconds. I'm excited. Ooh, okay, back home, showered. Fun fact, this, I need to show it to you guys fully. This this Eras Tour shirt, it kind of has some marks on it, so ignore those. This Eras Tour sweatshirt, by far, my favorite thing to lounge around in my apartment in. Did I go to the Eras Tour? No. But my friend got this for me, my friend Paige. It's like my staple. My literal staple. I will be chilling in this all day. I wanted to show you my Sweetgreen bowl. I usually get the caramelized garlic steak, sub the tomatoes for chickpeas. Yay! There's so much lore on Sweetgreen. People are very much like Instagram versus reality because obviously like their photos that they take versus like what you get in real life doesn't really look the same, but I feel like you can say that for like Chipotle or any big corporation, you know? So we have steak, wild rice, broccoli, chickpeas, sweet potato, and then the pesto vinaigrette. It's so good. Another fun fact about me, I rarely will eat my food when I get it. I need to be in the perfect mood and setting. Yes, I bought this like half an hour ago, but I had to shower. I had to. Like, I can't just like come and sit and eat this. Like, I need to shower. I'm gonna eat this. I started the Traitors season 3. I've never watched any of the other Traitors, seasons 1 or season 2. I started the first episode last night. Holy shit, this show is so good. Like, what the fuck? No one ever told me this. They have, I think, the first 3 episodes out, and I'm gonna try to watch the second one now while I eat my bowl. Then we're gonna get on into the apartment. Apartment just right now, not great. Very dusty, clothes everywhere. I gotta clean it up. Everyone on Traitors is like a reality TV star or someone that is relatively famous or connected to fame in some way. Right now, Zac Efron's brother is on it, which like, I didn't even know he had a brother. Really attractive guy, not going to lie. Pretty much you're figuring out who out of the group is a traitor. You have to be so freaking good at lying and deceiving people and seeing the behind the scenes of it. Like, obviously we're watching it knowing who the traitors are. At least I assume that's how it is for the whole season. This is crazy. Like, how are you not? I don't know. You have to be so freaking good. What the heck? It's insane. I'm excited. I think it's also going to make me interested in Scotland. The scenery of everything looks so cool. Gonna eat my bowl and I'll talk to you guys at some other point. Okay, Sweetgreen has been in the system, ingested. I ate pretty much. That's all I'm saying is I ate. And it is time to clean. It has been some time. I've been watching Traitors. Oh my gosh, I'm actually gonna become obsessed with this show. I know it. Was like in the middle of an episode and I paused because like I just can't clean and watch at the same time because I would just be coming back to my couch like glued to the screen. It is 2:44 and sunset is at 4:42. I have about 2 hours of sunlight. We're gonna try to clean in that time. Hopefully tonight I can get like all cozied up and watch more Traitors because it's so good. I'm like can't stop talking about it now. It's so funny. Fresh can of Coke from the gas station. I feel like I'm like taking it. Why am I drinking it like this? Okay, gonna get this started. Going to do a load of laundry first, and then I'm going to do the dishes. First 2 things to do. I'm trying to get this without my actual toes being in the shot, but my mom got me these slippers and they're so cute. I've been wearing them around the house. I've done some cleaning, been watching some football, and I'm at a point where it's getting pretty dark. It's completely pitch black. It's about 6 p.m. now. Did 2 loads of laundry, folded laundry, put it away. I'm ready to open up this. Okay, this TV is really annoying, but I really want to unbox this right now. This is a tray that you can kind of put anywhere for work. I like to work from bed a lot. I can pull this up next to my bed and like sit up, but then also I can have it right here too if I just want to work on my couch or right here. So we're gonna open it up and try to put it together. Oh my god. My bed is very anticlimactic and the lighting is not flattering. This looks so cute. I can just push that lever and it can go even higher. So yay, exciting. And now I just put it in the living room. I feel like I'm like bopping from room to room. This is so cool. It's gonna be, I don't know where I'm gonna store it though. That's the thing. For now, I think I'm just gonna keep it like this. It might look a little cluttered, but I think it looks fine. Right here, just chilling. For dinner today, I'm gonna have a Red Baron pizza. I usually am a California pizza kitchen when it comes to frozen pizzas, but they didn't have any. So we're trying this out tonight. I am curious if other people are frozen pizza people. I will eat a frozen pizza at least like 2 times a month. But don't get me wrong, I love a good Domino's. There's Domino's like a 5-minute walk from my apartment. I get that a lot. This photo versus the reality, I might have to stick with my CPK. I feel like some companies know how to do a frozen pizza like CPK, and then others they just don't. Or maybe it's just like not my taste. I don't like a thick crusted pizza, at least from a frozen pizza place. I'm literally not even showing anything, I'm sorry. This is not a very good angle. Oh god, didn't mean to just cough on the pizza. Oh, it's so yummy, so yummy. Ow. Too hot. I mean, it's not bad. I'm going to take another bite. Cheers. It has been a day, but a day of getting stuff done. It's about 8 p.m. My Sunday is wrapping up and go to bed and get ready for work tomorrow. Prepare for the ending. Prepare for the workload. I'm like so dramatic. I am gonna end the video off here. Like it if you enjoyed and leave me a comment down below. I'm pretty sure only my friends and my mother are gonna watch this, but that's okay. This is what I'm making it for. I'm gonna eat more of that pizza and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.